Maglalaro tayo strongest battleground. Lag din po. Mag-subscribe na din po kayo. Mag-release na po natin ang 10 subscriber. Ayan, mag-subscribe na po tayo. Ay, kayo po. Baham. Kana. Bam. Nagang bigla eh. Wait lang po guys. Yan na. Naglaban na. Dati hindi malagay eh. Sige na lang namin GPU. Baba ka naman. Baka naman isa lang GPU. GPU baba ka. GPU baba ka naman. Bumaba ka, GPU. Pero yung ping natin iba eh. Hindi siya bababa din eh. Gusto yung pangakanya talaga. Ayun na naman oh. Sayang. Tignan nyo guys sa leaderboard. Kada 60 na 78. Ihi, astiga. Mas ma-reach yung 100s. Labi yung ping natin. Tap, wait, ito ba ito? Naman eh. Diba guys, pag malaga no? Wait lang guys ha. Natawag ang man ko eh. Wait lang guys ha. Yan guys, sakto on na yung best friend ko si Sonic Sorry. Invite natin siya. Lag pa. Okay lang yan. Ito siya. Invite natin. Mag-ring yung bigla. Lala ko na yung kaibigan ko eh. Ako na mag-ring eh. Tingnan nyo lang ha. Tingnan nyo lang. Mas kamay ko. Kung ganyan. Sayang. Try lang natin siya. Ay sayang. Laban na. Ani mag-join. Sana mag-join. Baka sayang. Nakita kita bro. Sabihin natin nag-vlog ako, okay? Tagala. Add nyo na din po siya. Ito yung pangalan. Rick Fire Melter 10. And then Rick _Fire Melter 10. Add natin ng dalawa na. So, mag-join. Uy, AFK yata yun eh. Ano hindi? Leave tayo guys. Bye. Ano pa, may invite natin ulit. Ay na 6:56 PM. Yung show na sa Strongest Battleground. Lahat na may kaibigan na yan. Brother. Okay. Ayan. Mag-join na siya. Pero may dinelete ako na video eh. Delete na video. Ayan. Nahid lang natin yung chat para alam na Diba may nakalagay ito yung kalma. Oh, kalma. Bebe, kalma. Please, pasok ka naman. Tagal lang. Hindi kaya. Yan ang invite niya. Yung pag nag-vlog ako, i-radyo dyan. Ganun. Guys. Patay. Ayun na, i-join na siya. Ayun guys. I-join natin what's up. What's up? What's up? Asan siya? Hindi lang natin. What's up yun siya? What's up? Say hi to my Another everyday is do. Ayan guys. Say hi to my subscriber. Ayan guys. Saya tayo. You made a okay, can you subscribe to me? You made the account? No, I have a 9 subscriber. No, nalangin natin. No, I don't have a channel. No, I have. Willy ka dito. Uy, guys. Guys, ayaw niya oh. I need one. Mali. To get 10 subs. I need one more. Ha? Ba't siya nag-lead? Ayan, nag-join uli. Kasi, I need one more subs to get 10 subs. Yan. Wait, ina na yung ano ko. Ay, wala pala yun. I need one more subs to get 10 subs. Yeah. If you don't have an account. Ay, diba guys? Ay, if you don't have an account, subscribe. Yeah. That's my stuff. Diba? Ayan. Suslap. Okay. Best. This is my new emote. This is my new emote. Asti. Here's my name. No. literally seems to get annoying. Please eat. Wala din. Lal. Lolo. Lalari. Okay. Gigas natin. Also, I will take off this egg and reveal my face when I get other egg. No, I know your face now. No, 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 I know your face. If you float in water, you will see your face. Asan siya? Uy. If you flow in water, you will see your face. Okay. Okay. Flowing water. Flowing water me. Asan siya? Paano yung guys so sayang. See tall yo. See told you. Here is my face. I see now. Akin sabihin natin. Wala. Wala siya. Gasto. Oh, wait, sabihin natin you are bold. Okay. Ayaw. Click ko na. Punasin lang natin yung screen ko. At ayaw yung emote ko. Ayaw. Linig ko na ha. Ayaw pa rin. Ganon. Ayaw. Reset lang natin yan. Sabay. No, pinili ko na. Dun sa guardian. Yes. Wait lang nga. Leave muna tayo sabay join. Yes. I cannot click chat. Okay. Sabihin natin I cannot correct chat. Chat, okay, chat. Chat, tikit. Ayun na. Okay. Ba't ganun? Wait, parang pag-assist niya ano yun? Flamingo. Sa One Piece. Yung abatan na yun, ayun na. Sabihin natin niya, I know. I know the dreams of Aizen. Sabihin natin, unlock. Disconnect. And disconnect. Okay. Sorry guys, nag-zoom na rin ako. And disconnect. Yeah. No. Dudun. Sukaisen. Yeah, I know Dudun Sukaisen. My favorite life. Uy, pansinin mo naman ako. Okay. Third game. Ano daw? Game called Cursed Arena. It's best. JJK. Okay, Jujun Sokal. Okay, sabihin natin. Look in leaderboard. Look in leaderboard. I have 6, 9 cats. Okay, 78 total. Nukis, munti ka na mag I mean cats. I mean kills. No! Didn't have. Okay. I need 1k more kills. For tight. How do you get the shush? Yan. Diba nasa katawan niya? Yan. Gustong gusto ko yan. How do you get the shush? Get 75 kills. 75 kills. Where is it? Where is it? Is in the cave. Is in the cave. Store. Or is in the cave store? Look in. Now scroll down. Okay. Okay. I got it. Yes, I got it. But not this is in your body. Yeah. But not this is in your body. I know. But if you want to get the long one, get 150 kills. Okay, ayos natin. Ayan. Ayan sinasabi ko. Bakit siya wala? Bakit siya wala? You don't have a kills. Why I'm the top? I do. Okay, why I'm the top? Why I'm the top? I do. Hide your Yari. Scam ba? Scam ata. Stop. Wala, scam ata. Gagi. Ano? Ito yung hindi sash. Hindi sash. Ano yun o? Yan. Okay, fake ata yung rin ko. Long sash. Okay. Purple scarf. Yan. Just tell the truth. I use daily needed to grind. Why I'm in the top? Just tell the truth now. Okay. Diyan nakasuslak. Okay. Di ko lang. You will dig me ano? Okay. Wait lang guys. Ilan na 21? Where I don't see you in that leaderboard. Di nga. Why I see myself. But I don't. My kills are 60. My total kills are 78. Why kills? Asan siya? Ayun. Ikaw na sa leaderboard. No emote ko. That's how fast I got kills with daily ninja. What kills are you? 6. What kills are you? Me 68 na. Is this scam or not? Ready? Okay. I believe. Yeah. I think scam ba yun? Ito yung YouTuber? Ito yung YouTuber. Baka laylayan. Kaya wala. Ay, sayang. Ay, sayang naman yun, oh, bata. Wait lang. Wait lang Okay. Ano? Malungkot ako. Bilisan ko na. Ano ba? Ayaw mag-charge. Lang guys 11 na lang. Ay na, naka-charge na. Ayan guys. Wala. Tingnan natin siya. Libuno tayo. Tingnan natin siya. Nilalaro na. Hindi siya online. At hindi siya online. Kasi tinanong ko yun.